What is going on, YouTube? How's it going? My name's Jim. I'm a crypto trader and a forex trader, and you have landed on the Jim of All Trades channel. Glad you made it by. I trade from an Elliott Wave perspective, and so that's what we're going to give you today. We're just going to look at the Elliott Wave count, see what's going on, and you can get the other TA from other channels or the TA you already know. So don't fret about that. All right, let's just jump in. Don't forget, this isn't financial advice, never intended to be. So I'm on a job site. You can see behind me just some unfinished walls and whatnot. We're remodeling a house here, and I'm just trying to take a minute and give you guys some information, and because I don't think I'll be able to do it tonight. So let's jump into the charts. We're looking at Bitcoin right now, and right now we're in a corrective channel. It looks like this is all very choppy and very corrective looking. It does not look impulsive at all. Um, a couple of people have asked me, is this a leading diagonal? Nah, to me, I don't feel like it is. I imagine it could be, but I don't like it as a leading diagonal. This would be an awful big one wave, and that would be a very small two comparatively. So yeah, I don't know. Or this is the one, two, three, four, and now we're making five. I suppose it could be, but I don't like it. It doesn't look good to me. But there again, we can keep it on the table. I imagine. I don't guess it's been invalidated yet. The rules for leading diagonals are that there's five waves within that. So there's five waves, and each wave has three waves in it. So this would have to be one, two, three, four, and five, and it generally has a converging set of trend lines. Okay, so yeah, possibly I imagine that could be a leading diagonal, which means we would get basically a three wave move up, and then we'd get a move to the downside in three waves, and then we'd be off to the races. Moon Boys shouting victory there. Okay, so that's possibility if it's a leading diagonal. I've also been asked, is this a triangle? Is this an ABCD triangle? In my opinion, no. It does not. It doesn't follow the rules for triangles. The only way it could be a triangle, possibly, is if it's a no, it couldn't be a running triangle. Never mind. Yeah, it doesn't look like a triangle to me, guys. Guys, to be honest with you, it just looks like a bear flag right here. You can kind of see it. It's just larger time frame. A bear flag is generally a fourth wave or something like that, and then we come down. We're going to be coming down after this thing is finished. Now the question is, how is it going to be finished? What is the shape it's going to be finished in? Now there's a couple of things I've been saying the past couple of days. Let's just talk about it here. We have a three-wave move here. Okay, this comes to the 127 extension. It is a corrective fib. Okay. Now the question is this a three-wave move here, and now we're getting a three-wave move up like that? That's a possibility, and it'll stay within this channel, and then we break to the downside after that. Possibility, I imagine. Second possibility, I'm kind of looking at this as a flat right here. It hasn't been invalidated yet, but if goes up, yeah, it goes up anymore, guys, I'm gonna pretty much say, yeah, it's not a flat. In fact, I don't like the shape of this wave, to be a flat, but still, we'll have to watch it and see. So we're going to leave it on the table for now. A flat is a three, and then a five wave. Okay, so this would be one, two, three, four, and then we have a diagonal finishing up for a fifth wave. Then we would expect a three wave move down to the downside. Then we expect another three wave move to the upside, like so. So that's a possibility, guys. That is a possibility. We would be looking basically at a three wave move here and then a three wave move up. And so that would finish our W, our X, and then our Y wave. Okay. I gave targets in yesterday's video. I'm not going to take the time to do that. Just look at yesterday's video and you can get the targets for the downside here. If this is going to come down in three waves, give the targets last night, and then I gave the targets for the upside as well. It's going to be around the structure zone right here is going to be the first target. Okay, and then the second target is going to be around this structure zone right here. Okay, that's the 1-to-1 and the 127 extension really. So that's basically what we're looking at, guys. If again, if this isn't If this continues to go up from here, remember, if it gets up here to the $7,800 range, um, here, let me put the fibs on there so I can show you. Oh, excuse me. If we get up here to the actually 79.50 range in that ballpark, guys, we're actually possibly looking at an impulse wave where we got a one, a two, all that would, whoa, this would be two. All this would be three. We get a fourth and then a fifth. And so we're actually making the third wave of the five wave impulse. Again, not a big fan of that count, but certainly if price continues to go straight up, that's an interpretation. I guess another interpretation we could have is that this is a W and this is our X wave right here. Now we're getting our Y wave coming up here. Same targets, guys, same targets in that range. Structure zones are key. Let's pay attention to those. Okay. All right, guys. Well, there, that's what we're looking at. Let's take a peek at Litecoin here and just see we're making a channel here as well. I excluded the wick on this particular one, and we have a nice little channel here. We've got a three-wave move, a three-wave move down. We could be looking for a three-wave move to the upside here. So that is a potentiality. So three waves, and then could get three waves. So that's one shape it could take. It could break through. This could be a flat as we talked about yesterday. Okay, and so this could be a B and then a C like that. Then we go up and finish this correction. This would be in that case a W, an X, and a Y. So again, complex corrections. We're still in it. The wave updates aren't looking much different. The only difference I guess I'm saying today is that we might stay within this channel, and our three waves to the downside on the X is already finished, and that we could be heading up to finish out. So we got a three, and then we need a three to finish it. All right, well, there you go, guys. I hope that helps you. Just some things to think about. I would like to see price break this trend line. If price breaks this trend line, we're looking for that three-wave move. Actually, it would be like this. That three-wave move to the downside, and then we go long from there up to the $8,000 to $9,000 range. Okay, structure zones are we'd be paying attention to. If we don't break this trend line, what targets are we looking at here? 87.39, still it's kind of the same target area. 87.39 is the one-to-one extension. The 786 is 80.50. Excuse me 1 second, I got a cough here. Something in my throat. Sorry about that. Okay. So we could come to the 786 at 80.58. 87.39 would be the one-to-one extension. If it gets really, really bullish, or at least a really big push, we could come up here to the. That's two yawns now. Ooh, ooh. Could come up here to the $9,600 region at the 127. Again, that's only if we go up here from this direction. Okay. All right, guys. Well, there it is. That's what we've got. Nothing much different from yesterday. If you need targets and ideas from yesterday, just go ahead and check out yesterday's video. Okay. Other than that, you guys have a fantastic, fantastic day. We'll talk to you later. Bye bye.